You're probably thinking, can I really turn $100 into $10,000? Yes, you can. But here's the truth, it won't happen overnight. It takes patience, consistency, and the right strategies. In this video, I'll show you 7 powerful ways you can start building real wealth from almost nothing, starting today. Hand waving, hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your name, and on this channel, we talk about personal finance, investing, and building wealth from the ground up. Today's video is going to be a step-by-step guide to turning $100 into $10,000 and beyond. These are methods anyone can use, even if you're just starting out. We're not talking about gambling, day trading, or lottery tickets. These are practical, proven methods used by real people every day. So grab a notepad, or at least open your notes app, and let's dive in. Brain 1. Step 1. Build the right mindset. Before we get tactical, we need to talk about the mental side of money. Because how you think about money will determine what you do with it. Here are 3 mindset shifts that are critical. Think long term, $10,000 won't happen tomorrow. It may take 1 to 3 years. But that's still faster than most people build wealth. Consistency greater than intensity. $100 invested every month is better than $1,000 invested once and forgotten. Use money as a tool. Money isn't the goal, freedom is. The ability to make choices, live without stress, and create a better future. Wealth starts with discipline, not luck. Upward trend 2. Strategy number 1. High growth ETFs. Let's start with one of the safest and smartest tools for beginners, ETFs, exchange traded funds. Instead of picking one stock, ETFs let you buy a basket of stocks with a single purchase. One of my favorites for beginners is the VU ETF, which tracks the S&P 500. This fund includes giants like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Google. Average historical return, 8 to 10% annually. Low risk. High diversification. Fully passive. No stock picking needed. Let's say you start with $100 and invest $50 per month in VU. Using compound interest, in 5 to 7 years, you could easily reach over $5,000, and double that with more contributions. Tools like M1 Finance, Fidelity, and Vanguard make ETF investing easy and commission-free. Money bag 3. Strategy number 2. Dividend reinvestment. Want income and growth? Look at dividend stocks. These are companies that pay you just for holding their shares. And when you reinvest those dividends, your investment starts to grow on its own. Here are 3 solid dividend stocks for beginners. Realty Income, monthly dividends. Johnson & Johnson, J&J, decades of growth. PepsiCo, PEP, consumer staple with strong yield. Start small, set up a DRIP, dividend reinvestment plan, and let the snowball roll. Over time, dividend reinvestment can outperform even traditional growth investing, especially if you keep adding to your positions. Repeat button 4. Strategy number 3. Flipping items for profit. Not comfortable with the stock market? No problem. Let's talk about flipping, buying items cheap and reselling them for a profit. Start with thrift stores, garage sales, or Facebook Marketplace. Look for undervalued, electronics, books, furniture, sneakers, collectible. One man bought a used camera lens for $25 and flipped it for $200 on eBay. Rinse and repeat. Use your $100 to build initial inventory, reinvest the profits, and scale up. Eventually, you can build a mini flipping business, bringing in hundreds, or even thousands, per month. Coin 5. Strategy number 4. Smart crypto allocation. Crypto isn't dead, but it is volatile. If you're going to invest here, you need to do it strategically. Use only a small portion of your money, maybe 10 to 20% of your portfolio. That's $10 to $20 from your $100. Stick with established coins like Bitcoin, BTC, digital gold, Ethereum, ETH, smart contracts, and DeFi backbone. Don't chase meme coins. Don't buy during hype cycles. Instead, dollar cost average in small amounts and hold long term. Bonus tip: use secure wallets. Avoid keeping large amounts on exchanges. If you're consistent and careful, that $20 could become $500 in a few years. Brain 6. Strategy number 5. Invest in skills. What's the highest ROI investment in history? Your brain. Use your $100 to buy a course or resource that teaches you copywriting, coding, graphic design, AI, and prompt engineering, freelancing, and business. Then apply those skills on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelance, TopTool. Here's the path. Learn a skill, offer a service, land your first client, reinvest in tools and education, scale to $1,000 plus per month. You could literally turn a $100 course into a $10,000 per year freelance business. Building construction. 7. Strategy number 6. Start a micro business. Another idea? Start a low-cost side hustle. Here are a few examples you can launch for under $100. Print-on-demand t-shirt store, via Teespring or Printify. Digital product sales, ebooks, templates, Notion setups, social media management for small businesses, Instagram theme pages, affiliate marketing blogs. The idea isn't to hit it big in a week. The idea is to learn, test, earn, and build momentum. Many million-dollar businesses started as small $100 experiments. Bar graph. 8. Understand compounding and exponential growth. Let's wrap this up with the math behind it all. Compound growth. Here's what happens when you grow your money by just 20% per year. Year 1, $100 right pointing arrow, $120. Year 2, $120 right pointing arrow, $144. Year 5, $248. Year 10, $619. Year 15, $1,540. Year 20, $3,800. Year 25, $9,500 plus. If you consistently invest, reinvest, and let time work its magic, $10,000 becomes inevitable. And remember, this isn't just about money. It's about creating freedom. End conclusion. Let's recap. Checkmark high growth ETFs, checkmark dividend reinvestment, checkmark flipping physical items, checkmark smart crypto allocation, checkmark skill building, checkmark micro businesses, checkmark compound interest. All of these strategies work. But only if you work them. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start today with whatever you have. Because the truth is, starting with $100 is a gift. It forces you to think smarter, act faster, and learn more. So, what's your plan? Right finger drop a comment below and let me know how you're going to turn your first $100 into $10,000. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and turn on the bell so you don't miss any future videos.